Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD. Panel type VA-QD and VA IPS. Backlight MiniLED. Screen size 115 inch and 43, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85, 98 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 5000 nits and 2000 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 38 ppi and 45 ppi. Video processor AI PQ Pro and NQ4 AI Gen 2. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision. Part 2 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 2 into HDMI 2.1 and 4 4 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 1 into USB A and 3 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.0 and 5.2. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV and Tizen. Version at launch 12.0 and 8.0. OS updates yes and no. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes and no. Chromecast yes and no. Voice assistance Google Assistant and Bixby Google Assistant Alexa. Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Yes. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 6.2.2 120 watt and 4.2.2 60 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC. Yes. Dolby Atmos. Yes. Dolby Digital Plus. Yes. Dolby AC3 and AC4. Yes. Detach X. Yes and no. Detach Digital Surround. Yes and no. Detach HD. Yes. No. Stereo speakers. Yes. Subwoofer. Yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 2565.6 into 1470 into 55.9 mm and 8.7 into 37.8 into 24.4 inch. Weight 102 kg and 70.58 kg. Mounting hole pattern 1000 into 600 mm and 200 into 200 mm. Special features IMAX Enhance, Motion Accelerator 240 Integral Skin and MiniLED 504 720 zone in 55 to 65 inch. Game Bar 4.0 Object Tracking Sound Plus. Tuners attached 3.0 USA Europe and attached 3.0 USA DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.